I'm Brady, and today we're here at the Pure Pressure Demo Lab to talk to you about a few things that make the Axis Trichome Separator so special. When we started Pure Pressure as a company, one of the things that was really important to us was to make industry-specific equipment that push things forward. And that's what we've accomplished with the Axis Trichome Separator system. It's a novel approach to hash washing, and we saw areas that we can improve just the overall workflow and how this equipment interacts and operates. So now we're going to show you a couple of things that are so special about the system. Hash making in the ice water hash process can be broken down into 4 distinct parts. Part 1 is the soak. This is where you take your wash vessel and fill it with ice, water, and flour. The purpose of your ice is to make your water cold, and the point of your water being cold is to make your trichomes brittle. Step 2 of this process is the agitation. And once your trichomes have a brittle thaw to them, just by creating a current within the water within your vessel, you're able to shear these trichomes off and separate them from the rest of your plant material. By having a detached agitation system and wash vessels, we're able to simultaneously start multiple soak periods for multiple batches of flour, and same thing goes on the agitation side. Throughout this agitation process, when your trichomes lose their brittle thaw in nature, you have to cease the agitation period, go through a collection and filtration process to get everything set up again. And those 2 steps right there are something that the Axis system really shines at. You're able to continually progress forward these batches throughout the day while taking advantage of just these natural downtimes that exist in this extraction method. One of the best features about the Axis system is the 360-degree paddle control and the agility that we offer just with our agitation system. And what this means and how an operator and a hash maker utilizes this in their day-to-day work is that you have complete control over how the paddle interacts with your flour within our vessels. And one of the ways that this can be invaluable to a solventless business and a hash maker is that you get an incredible amount of consistency batch to batch. Every single batch, the agitation paddle is going to be interacting with your flour in the exact same way. And one of the things that this does is this allows you to identify low yielding or ineffective strains for solventless extraction. If you've been running the equipment the same exact way every time, and then you come across something that might not yield as well, this helps you identify that this might not be the best flour for solventless extraction. And these kind of things are where solventless businesses live and die, is at the margin. Any inefficiency or anything like that that goes unchecked is extremely detrimental to your business. And that's one of the things that we're trying to address is just overall consistency to this extraction method. One of the reasons we chose top-down agitation is that it makes the system significantly easier to clean and to keep sanitary throughout the day. The wash vessels don't have seams or small areas where microbials can be trapped, and disassembly would be required for full sterilization. Overall, it's the most compliant method as a means to agitate high-quality biomass. And that's one of the things that we are really trying to offer here at Pure Pressure is solutions that are not just designed with common sense, but are designed taking inspiration from other commercial applications, even just outside of cannabis, to make this as clean and safe and as effective as possible.